In this video we will explore the daily MACD trading concepts. Learn how to apply them in actual trading with examples, as well as learn about the tools needed to stay profitable. First, please read our disclaimer. Stock market typically displays three types of trends. A long trend when stock prices are moving up. A short trend when stock prices are moving down. A sideways trend when the stock prices move up and down a small range. Let's understand the trade types. A long trade. When a trade is made with an expectation of stock prices moving up. A short trade. When a trade is made with an expectation of stock prices moving down. Stock prices keep moving up and down during the day. It is difficult to trade these movements unless you are a professional trader. As an individual investor, you need to be able to distinguish between a sideways movement, a long trend, and a short trend. This is where you need the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator uses the stock prices from past several days or weeks and calculates the current price trend. This helps you to identify the current stock price movement. Once you understand the current price trend, you can make intelligent choices when making the next trade. Let's view an example of Symantec Corporation. The MACD indicator clearly indicates the direction of price movement. For the convenience of the trader, the indicator background is color-coded green and red. Green background stands for long trend, and red background stands for short trend. Here's an example of Google. Here's an example of Goldman Sachs. As you can see in the diagram, the MACD values move between the top extreme and bottom extreme, based on actual stock price movement. Many times this movement may not be as clear and precise as shown. In such cases, the MACD may be hovering around the midpoint. These are cases of sideways trend movement, and we will cover a few examples later in this video. Let's view the Citibank long trade example. Notice the long entry begins when the MACD indicator turns up from the bottom extreme. The exit happens when the MACD indicator turns down after it hits the top extreme. Let's now view few more examples of long trades from Microsoft, Apple, and JP Morgan Chase. Now let's look at few short trading examples of Ford Motors and Netflix. As you can view from the charts, the short entry and exit rules are applicable, as discussed earlier. Similar short rules are applicable for Netflix. Let's recap what we have learnt until now. MACD indicator identifies relative long, short, and sideways trends. As the traders say, trend is your best friend. And now you know how to trade the MACD indicator. Now that you know how to trade the MACD indicator, you probably would want to trade on a regular basis. In order to actively participate in regular trading, firstly you need to find current and new trend trading opportunities. Secondly, you need to be able to anticipate exit prices. and then prioritize the opportunities based on potential gains. Thirdly, you need to be updated of trend changes during the trading day, so that you can make trading decisions quickly. Let's go over a demo of MACDVisor and evaluate how it addresses the trader needs. Here is a quick view of MACDVisor for S&P 500. MACD indicator is a very popular technical indicator, and is used by thousands of traders worldwide. Getting listed on S&P 500 is a feat in itself. Only very few companies with consistent profits and execution are selected for this prestigious list. Trading stocks from S&P 500 takes away the fundamental analysis aspect of trading, and you can use pure technical analysis to trade, without worrying about the viability of the company. From desktop, go to www.priceseries.com and click on Login. Enter your username and password on the login page. And this is how you log in on a mobile device. Let's view how MACDVisor addresses the need of finding new and existing opportunities. Here we have the buttons for new longs today, and new shorts today. If we click on new longs today, the trades table displays the list of stocks changing trend to long today. If we click on the row of the trades table, we can view the corresponding stock chart below. Now we will click on new shorts today. The trades table displays the list of stocks changing trend to short today. We can view the corresponding stock charts by clicking on the rows. This is how we would access the new longs today and new shorts today on a mobile device. You can also filter the stocks based on price. Select the price option from the drop-down, and the trades table will be filtered with stocks matching your price criteria. This is how you use the price filter on a mobile device. You can sort each column of the trades table on both desktop and mobile platforms. Simply click on the header row to sort the column. The first click sorts the column in ascending order, and the next click sorts the column in descending order. We have seen that MACDVisor finds new and current opportunities. Let's look at how MACDVisor helps to prioritize the opportunities. MACDVisor uses the Bollinger Bands to estimate the potential size of the opportunity. Potential target is calculated for each stock. Potential gain is the difference between the last close price and the potential target, represented as a percentage of last closing price. Few examples are displayed here. We have seen that MACDVisor can present and sort opportunities based on potential gain. Let's view how well it does on our third requirement of timely updates. MACDVisor is updated 8 times every trading day. The first update happens at 9:40 a.m. Eastern Time. This is followed with an update 5 minutes past every hour from 10:05 a.m. Eastern to 4:05 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's explore two additional features of MACDVisor: Watchlist and the list of daily best and worst S&P 500 performers. A watch list is a list of stocks, created by you to monitor the stocks of interest. You can add up to 50 symbols in the watch list and the stocks can be added or deleted any time. Your watch list is shared between different price series products. I have a clear watch list at this point. I am going to add 3 symbols of Google, Apple, and AMD. I will now reset the stock filters and click on my watch list. The 3 stocks from my watch list are displayed in the trades table. This makes it easier for you to monitor the stocks of your interest. MACDVisor for S&P 500 also provides a list of top 10 best and worst performers of the day. This list is updated throughout the day. In summary, the MACD indicator identifies relative long, short or sideways movements in stocks. Follow the trend to stay profitable. MACDVisor for S&P 500 provides a long list of features and most of what is needed for regular MACD trading. Thank you for watching.